The Power Mac G4 Cube is a Macintosh personal computer sold by Apple Computer Incorporated between July 2000 and 2001. Designed by Jonathan Ive, the Cube was conceived by Apple Chief Executive Officer Steve Jobs, who held an interest in a powerful, miniaturized desktop computer. Apple's designers developed new technologies and manufacturing methods for the product, a 7.7-inch cubic computer housed in clear acrylic glass. Apple positioned the Cube in the middle of its product range, between the consumer iMac G3 and the professional Power Mac G4. The Cube was announced to the general public at the Macworld Expo on July 19, 2000. The Cube won awards and plaudits for its design upon release, but reviews noted the high cost of the machine compared to its power, its limited expandability, and cosmetic defects. The product was an immediate commercial failure, selling only 150,000 units before production was suspended within a year of its announcement. The Cube was one of the rare failures for the company under Jobs after a successful period that brought the company back from the brink of bankruptcy. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.